And you know, if I have to take some back to the store, that's no biggie. And the reason why I got an extra one, I got an extra box. Remember before, if you were with me, I'm going to put a junction box down below that, and I was going to put a light switch in it, and I was going to put an electrical outlet in it, and then I was going to have a wire going from this wire. This is the power wire that's going to feed the downstairs, and that's going to go over and feed that electrical outlet over there. And I thought, you know, I'll put a light switch there to turn on lights. And I started thinking later, I thought, you know what, my crawl hole is way down there. If you will recall, I'm going to put a light underneath the floor over there, one over here, because there's a wall underneath the floor holding up the TGI floor joist all the way across there. Okay, there's a wall there, and then there's a crawl area through there into that space. So that's why I need to have a light over there. I'm going to have a light here, and then I'm going to put a light over here, about right in here underneath the floor. Okay, but my crawl area is way over there, and eventually I'll tie into some other electrical down over here, and then I'll end up putting a light over there, probably one over here too, underneath the floor, an electrical outlet over there. I don't want to tie it in. I don't want to tie it into this over here because this is going to be on a separate circuit, and the lights and the plug underneath the floor here, I'll grab a circuit in here off of the back bedroom or these two bedrooms, maybe one electrical circuit breakers just for that, and I'll tie into there. But see, as I'm coming down here through the crawl hole, I can turn on a light switch underneath the floor over there, and that will get that light and this light. But then see, from this point all the way over to here, I'm going to be walking through the dark to get over here to turn a light switch on. So I thought, hey, you know what? I'm not going to put the light switch down there. I'm still going to have a junction box down there, but it's going to be a single gang junction box. It's going to be one of these boxes I'm going to put down there. Okay, one of these. And I'm going to run that down there. And so the power that goes underneath the floor is going to go down in that junction box. Then from there, there's going to be another wire coming out of that box going over to this electrical outlet in the floor. Then there's going to be another wire coming out of that box that's going to go over here, and I'm going to end up putting the light switch down underneath the floor down right there. So when I come in to here, I can just turn right here, hit the light switch here, and then that's going to light up these three lights over here. Does that make sense? Then I don't have to walk through the dark to get over here. And then, you know, if I'm working over here, then I have to turn that light switch off, walk through the dark over to here to a certain extent before I do this over here, you know, before I go out and then turn the other light switch off down over there. So that's why I'm going to end up running an extra wire from that junction box, boom, over to there, and I'm going to put a 2-gang box there. I'm going to have a light switch on it for the 3 lights, and I'm going to put an electrical outlet there, you know, and then I'll still put an electrical outlet down there. So yeah, that's why I needed the extra. Electrical outlet. Okay, at the store. So I've got it all figured out, and it just kind of came to me yesterday afternoon as I was cleaning up. Last night as I was cleaning up, I thought, hey, instead of putting a light switch there, why not put it over there? Yeah, I've got one extra long bit of wire to go over to there, and then from there I'll go up to the lights from the light switch. Kaboom, kaboom, kaboom. So I've got a little bit extra wire to run now, and I've got 250 feet of wire. Okay, so I got plenty of wire. And then I needed an extra light box, because remember the other day when I went to the store first, I thought I was only going to use two lights. That was before I realized there was another wall under there, and that area was going to be dark. Okay, so I was going to get another box like this at the store so I could just screw up underneath the TGIs and they didn't have any more of these. So I thought, you know what, phooey on that. I'm not gonna waste my time about it. I could have gotten a metal box about this size, you know. I could have done that, but what I'm going to end up doing, I'm going to use one of these, and I probably won't be able to nail it to the side, or I might, and if I decide to nail it on the side of the TGI, I'll do that. If not, I can cut these. I can cut the little plastic ears off. I can cut this ear off here, this ear off here, drill 2 holes into the box, so it's just like this kind of box, and take this box and screw it right up to the bottom of the TJI, and then put the light down below. Okay, and so I've already got that covered, and that's what I'm going to end up doing. And because I've got this electrical outlet one on here, I'm gonna put this one over here underneath the floor, because where that wall is, it's dark on that side, and then I can either plug an extension cord in there, that way I don't have to come all the way over to here and then run the extension cord from there all the way through here, through the crawl area here, back into this floor cavity. Okay, I can just run this this type of light, and these are very inexpensive at the store, and then I'll have the light bulb on there, and if I ever need to use an electrical extension cord there, or plug in anything like that, I can do it with that. So I'm going to end up using that. And then these other two, I didn't need the little electrical outlet on the side. I'm just going to put those were cheaper. I'm going to have that one there and one over there. Okay, so I think I'm all set, and I've got all my material now. I'm back, and what I'm going to end up doing is going back down, because I'm going to pull that wire down further, and I'm going to have this so it kind of pulls down through there without messing up the bottom edge of this, because I don't, as you can see, I got that out really good, didn't I? That existing box. And if you didn't see that video, I show you how to take the electrical outlet. There was an existing electrical outlet there. That's the one that was there. I'm going to put that back in. And this was the box that was in there. And I cut that out and carefully removed that. If you don't know how to do that, you need to watch that video. And then I'll end up putting a cut-in box back in to the same hole, put the same electrical outlet back in. That's going to look like I was never even there when I get all done. You know, keep watching my videos, and I'll show you step by step what I'm doing, because it doesn't take me that much longer to make a video as it is to actually do the work. Okay? All right. Well, that's all I got for this time. But I'll be back with more videos. Let's go underneath the house, shall we? Oh, so when I came down here, I brought my staples. Okay, those are the staples for my Romex. Each time I come down here, I got to bring something else, right? I brought my cover plate. I'm not sure if I'm going to have the plug on that side, or if I'm going to have it on that side. It doesn't really matter. I think it's going to be maybe over on the left. We'll see. I'm going to leave that down here, and I even brought my my light switch, my old school toggle switch. It cost me 59 cents. And my old school style electrical outlet cost me 59 cents. And those are both for 15 amp, 14 gauge wire. So I'm going to leave that. I'm going to leave that down here. So next time I come down, I'll have to remember what to bring. My my roll of wire, my light fixtures, my light boxes, and all that good stuff. Because see, like in this area here, remember I told you I was going to put a light in here. Well, I could put the light right up in here, or more than likely, what I'm thinking is I'll probably put it on the other side of this this air conditioning pipe. Is my guess. I might put it up over in here. That way some light will shine towards me, towards that way, and kind of over that direction too. Plus, see, there's another cavity over in there, and I forgot all about that. There was a wall underneath the floor that just went up to the floor that held all the TJIs going all the way. So in fact, I might actually hook up three lights down here to that light switch. One light here, and then come through, sneak the wire through there, that hole, and put another one over here. See? And then put one on the other side of this, off of this same switch. So I got 3 different lights on this one light switch. Yeah, that's what I think I'll do. And speaking of those lights, remember I got 2 cheapo lights with pull strings, and they're just, well, no pull strings. They're just hard, no pull strings or anything. They're just controlled by the light switch. I can put one on that side, put one over here, and then that other one, remember I had another one with the pull chain and also with an electrical outlet on it. Because I've got this wall here, I can put that one over here. That's what I think I'll do. I'll stick it over there. That way I can plug an extension cord right into the light box there, because my only closest extension cord to plug in to the outlet is going to be over there, the one that I'm going to install. And I could just do it over there and then bring you know, take all my cords and then go from here over to there, across that way, up that way, if I needed to work on something way up high, let's say. You know what I mean? But we'll see. So you always have options.